Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time watching one of my videos. Hi, my name is James, I'm an interior designer here in Ireland, and before I get into this video, I just really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button and also hit that little bell just to be notified whenever I upload. And without further ado, let's get into today's video. So guys, first of all, I just want to say thank you to a few people who always comment on my videos. Just in case you're aware, I'm so grateful. It makes me so happy every time I see a comment, and I always see the same people comment all the time. It just makes me so happy because I feel like we have like a friendship now, you know, so it's really exciting. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make these amazing Rice Krispie balls. They're so simple and so easy. Like literally they took 5 minutes I think to make. Like less time actually, because I was doing it with my two little cousins and it was interesting. If you see like a couple extra hands in the shots, that's them, they were helping me, whatever. And I'm going to be bringing them in later to test them out because you have to let them sit overnight and they're going to do like a taste test with me, so be sure to wait around for that. And yeah, so let's get into this. In a bowl, stir together the peanut butter, margarine, cinnamon and honey until smooth. Stir in the puffed rice until evenly distributed. Chill for around 15 minutes, then use your hands to form 10 to 12 little balls from the mixture. Transfer the balls into a well-sealed container and leave to rest for about 12 hours in the fridge to set fully. Okay, so I'm here at my taste testers now. This is Harry, Paddy, Ava and Aisling.
Hi.
These are the two that helped me make
me
the
and
Aisling.
her.
Okay, so
I'm a
just
taste
take one. Take like a smaller one.
I want a big chunk.
Don't take it yet. Don't taste it yet.
I'm having.
Okay.
Don't
Right.
eat it.
I'm going to take
They
this one.
smell good.
Okay,
Now
so
we make them.
what do they smell like?
Really good. Peanut butter.
Peanuts.
I try to smell it.
Well, like there's like it's peanut butter, like Rice Krispie puff. So, alright, 3, 2, 1.
I want more. It's good. It's good.
Okay, so they just cleared the plate, so they must be good. What would you say they taste like?
Great. Then they taste like. Out of 10, I'll give it a 10.
A 10.
10. A 9.
A 9.
Too much cinnamon.
Yeah, take one.
I'll give 100 out of 100. I'll give it 99. Too much cinnamon.
A 9 out of 9.
No, a 9 out of 10.
Okay, so if
I
I
want
had
more.
less cinnamon, it would be a 10.
Yeah. I would
Okay.
give it a 9 out of a million. Yeah, I'll give it a Googling out of a Googling.
Yeah, I like them. I think they're really nice.
Give me more.
They're actually they're all gone. That was it.
No!
It made about 12. It made about 12 Rice Krispie balls. Yeah, but they're really nice. And none of these are vegan, so and they're all kids, so they have very high standards when it comes to stuff.
He's a vegetarian. But he eats fish as well. Yeah. Oh, you had to mention it, didn't you? No poison.
But anyway, do you want to say bye?
Hi. Bye. Peace out. Hi.
Okay guys, this is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, also hit the little bell, and also let me know in the comments if you're going to try this and do you like these type of videos. Should I do some more of these kind of baking videos, like showing you some kind of easy recipes I like to use on a monthly basis, because I'm not the best, I'm not a baker, so it's whenever I just get in the mood to bake. So anyway guys, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye.